First, when he commenced this conversation, the Attorney General stated to everybody in the Republic of Ghana, he disagreed with the Supreme Court position that said when they found nulli prosequa, they are not entitled to explain that to anybody. That is the reason why Dominic Ayine came on this show today. What's your view on that in the first place?
First and foremost, let me make this preliminary statement. Because there's a bit of, if you like, discontent in the system, against the previous administration, sometimes when you raise very pertinent issues about the current government, people think that you just want to distract the government. No, that is not our position. We believe that as Ghanaians, we have to assist the government to embark upon its objectives, govern well, so to the benefit of Ghanaians. And so when we raise these issues, we are not interested. It's not because we want to distract the government or settle scores. There's no score to settle. If the government does well, it does well for all of us. Now, having completed that preliminary comment, I wish to state that Dr. Dominic Ayine has confirmed to me that he's indeed a gentleman. I've always had, he's always been somebody I respect. I've never shied away from stating that fact. Okay. I've always, admired his principled position, his courage to take principled positions and defend them. And so today, having come out to address these issues, he has indeed confirmed or enhanced the kind of respect I have for him. It is on that score that he is not afraid to take different positions even from the apex court. Okay. And so in that regard, we are on the same wavelength. My position has always been that the power of the Attorney General to file nulli prosequa or withdrawal, right, is discretionary and consistent with Article 23 and 296 of the 1992 Constitution, particularly in cases of this nature where there's so much public interest. The public ought to know why certain steps are being taken. And so for me, he has earned my respect in that regard. And I salute him for the position he's taken, which is contrary or different from the position of the Supreme Court. Perhaps the Supreme Court may be guided in the future when such a case comes before them, or a case where people are demanding for an explanation as to why the AG has filed nulli prosequa or withdrawal, right? Because the Supreme Court is also free to depart from its previous decision. And so in that regard, he has earned my respect.